Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissants tasty. First, gather your high-quality ingredients. Unsalted butter with at least 82% fat is non-negotiable for that rich flavor and incredible flakiness. You'll also need strong bread flour, around 12 to 13% protein, for the perfect dough structure. Don't forget fresh, active yeast and cold water to keep everything at the ideal temperature. These elements are key to a delicious croissant. The heart of a great croissant lies in lamination. This process creates those beautiful, flaky layers. You'll perform 3 single folds, chilling the dough for about 30 minutes after each one. It's vital to keep both your butter block and dough consistently cold. Roll the dough gently and evenly to about 1/4 inch thick before each fold. Patience here prevents tearing and ensures those distinct, buttery layers develop perfectly. Now for the magic of shaping and proofing. Cut your laminated dough into triangles, ideally with a base of 3 to 4 inches and a length of 8 to 10 inches. Roll them tightly from the base to the tip, creating that classic croissant shape. Then, proof them in a warm, humid spot for 2 to 3 hours. They should look visibly puffy and jiggly. This crucial step develops the airy interior and ensures a wonderfully crisp crust. The final step is baking, where your efforts truly shine. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 30 minutes to ensure even heat. Bake your beautifully proofed croissants for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they achieve a deep, golden brown color. A quick egg wash before baking adds a lovely sheen. Once baked, let them cool on a wire rack for at least 15 minutes. This allows the butter to set, giving you that perfect, flaky texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.